Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy Realme GT60 smartphone, then this video is going to help you. Realme GT60 comes with 50 megapixel main sensor and it has 6000 nits of peak brightness and it has Corning Gorilla Glass 2 Victus. At the front you will get 6.78 inches AMOLED display. It has excellent camera. So in the price bracket of 30,000 rupees, this is a great buy for those who want to play games on their smartphone and also want to have curved display. The slim form factor of this smartphone makes it an appealing deal to customers. Plus, this smartphone has IR blaster. You can control your AC, TV and etc. The display of this smartphone is really gorgeous. As you can see here, I am using it in outdoor condition and the display is clearly visible. The haptic feedback of this smartphone is also excellent. You can get flagship level haptic motor in this. The camera of this smartphone is also very good, as you can see here. The primary sensor is a 50 megapixel Sony sensor, so you can get excellent photography from this smartphone. In this sample shot, you can see that the photo has enough detail and the dynamic range is also very good. The secondary camera is an 8 megapixel camera. You can see here the details is excellent. In this smartphone, you can shoot videos up to 4K 60 fps. As it is powered by OIS, so you can have great footage and excellent stabilization. However, in Android phone, stabilization is not so good compared to iOS devices, but yet you can get enough stabilization for casual shots. Though you cannot expect high-end footages from this smartphone because it is only a 30K price point smartphone. So if you want great videography, you must buy iPhones. Realme GT60 comes with LTPO display, so the refresh rate will be variable. You will get enough juice from the 5500 mAh battery, which will last longer. Plus it comes with 120 watt of power adapter. Plus out of the box you will get a very good quality silicone cover. It will protect your device from any drop. So if you are planning to buy this smartphone, you can buy this, but don't buy this without any offer. Currently this phone is priced at around 33K, but after using credit card you will get 4,000 rupees cashback. Hope this video has helped you to learn about this smartphone. If you have any question regarding this smartphone, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.